In this video, I will show you how to optimize your performance while working with DigiPara Liftdesigner. DigiPara Liftdesigner offers several features for optimizing and monitoring performance. These features are especially useful for frequent project adjustments within large elevators and elevator groups, helping you speed up your workflow. One of these features is the sloppy mode. There is also a performance profiler docking window, which is intended for developers. You'll find it under the Start tab, where the docking windows are located. Let's explore these features with a practical example. First, we need to prepare by creating two identical sections, both showing a front view. Hide unneeded components by adjusting the component visibility settings. Next, go to the Group and Shaft configurator and open the floor levels. In the last column, marked with a P for Performance, you can choose which floors should be affected by sloppy mode. When sloppy mode is activated, adjustments are immediately visible only in the active view frame. The update timing for additional view frames can be set individually by selecting them on the drawing. Red highlighted view frames indicate that they are not updated simultaneously after project changes. However, adjustments to list objects, such as new landing door widths, are automatically synchronized across all floors, even in sloppy mode. You can also define which functions should be executed in sloppy mode by adjusting the document properties. Now, let's take a brief look at the Performance Profiler, which is recommended for developers. Before using the Performance Profiler, make sure to install the necessary software extensions. First, close DigiPara Liftdesigner. Then, download the Performance Profiler from the Software Enhancements section in the DigiPara Liftdesigner Cloud. The Performance Profiler provides an overview of the runtimes of various operations and processes in DigiPara Liftdesigner. This information can be very helpful for identifying areas where performance can be improved. And that's it! Thanks for watching!